How's it, everybody? We're here in central Oahu today, and I thought I'd give you a little overview of where that actually is. As we rise up, that's looking towards the North Shore. And as we come around, we see the slopes of the Ko'olau mountain range. And on the other side of that are our windward shores of Oahu, where we're from. And now we're looking at Honolulu and Waikiki beyond that. And that there is the ALOHA Stadium where we have our football games for the University of Hawaii. Out by the ocean, that's the airport. And then we're looking at Pearl Harbor. And then we see the Waianae Mountain Range, which overlooks the leeward or western side of the island. In our most recent episode, we came along the locks of Pearl Harbor and ended up here in Aiea, which is the starting point for today's ride. Good morning, how are you guys doing today? Hope all is good. We're gonna go on a little cruise. We're starting here in the town called Aiea. So hope you enjoy it. By the way, I like the new getup. This is my summer attire. We are going to be going on to Nimtiz Highway, one of the most crowded corridors on Oahu that goes from the airport to Waikiki. We're gonna go half of that, but it's a 3-lane highway with no shoulder to it, so we're gonna have fun on that. So anyway, I got a little extra lighting on the bike today, or the trike today. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. So over to the left is ALOHA Stadium, and looks like we got a swap meet today, and it's called ALOHA Stadium, or as some of us like to call it, the Rust Bowl. It wasn't painted brown. It just came that way, I guess a couple years after it was created. What's that thing above us? Is that a passageway for cars? No, it's the monorail. The much debated and much unliked monorail that goes from Kapolei, which we came by last week, and goes all the way into Honolulu. And it's putting an awful lot of concrete in Hawaii. You remember the song, right? Pay Paradise, put up a parking lot. Well, it's not a parking lot, it's a huge rail. Our goal is to hit the ALOHA Tower today if we can. We're here early on a Sunday morning because we are in a huge traffic corridor. How's that, brother? And over to the right, there's that Arizona Memorial again. And a big ship, Pearl Harbor Bay. So fortunately, I found a bike path that runs parallel to this monorail, monolith. And we're gonna ride first under it and then to the side of it. And we'll have a pretty decent ride for a while until we get past the airport. And this is the freeway that goes to Honolulu and the airport. So what we have up here is all Navy Exchange buildings and stores and housing for Navy personnel. But fortunately, they're nice enough to give us this bike path. So we're gonna be uncovered here for about a mile, and then we go under the viaduct, as they call it. Fortunately, we have a nice bike path. I'm gonna call this bike path number 4. I thought there was only 3, but look at this, guys. It's a decent bike path. beautifully paved, and we're going to use it as far as we can take it. So this is the viaduct that goes right by the airport, Honolulu Airport. As always the case is when you have some spare land, you put up a golf course. So now our path continues underneath this viaduct all the way to Sand Island. There's the old monorail. All right, we're on the other side of the highway, of Nimtiz Highway, and our bike path is turned into a sidewalk. There are no shoulders on this Nimtiz Highway. Container trucks are zooming by us, heading to Sand Island, which is the points where all the container ships load and unload. And this is where we're going to change up and go with the helmet cam. I'm going to need two hands because we're going to hop on to the 3 lanes, and we're going to take the far right lane, and we're going to speed things up and get through this 1 mile corridor, and let's hope we make it. We got through that little section there, about a mile, and you know what? It was great. We didn't have any cars. They were all stopped at lights, and it's probably 3/4 of a mile, and I had to get going. And so now I got a bike path again. No, bike lane, sorry. And that's the seaport. You can see the large cranes. A little further down the line, we're going to have it's called Young Brothers, which is the inter-island barge. Maybe someday, if I'm going to go and tour the Big Island or Maui, I'll have to send my trike on that barge. In this area to our left, called Kalihi, smaller version of it is Iwalei, where the canneries, when they used to can pineapple, that's where all the canneries were, and all the high school kids, except for this guy, used to work there in the summer. Now we're coming around to the wharf system, and let's see if we get a good view. There's a lot of fishing boats here, and I don't know if you can see over to the right, that's called the ALOHA Tower. All right, we're in downtown Honolulu. Someone turn up the radio.
I got a woman who lives in my brain. She the kind of girl who drive you insane. Tease me and taunt me and I gotta hide. She wanna take me for a long, long ride.
And remember that Sand Island I told you about? That's that peninsula there. And this is my yacht. Awesome. Awesome.
I got a woman who lives in my head. Sometimes I wonder if I'm better off dead. She won't ever leave me alone. Gotta hit the road, be a rolling stone. I got a woman, she got me. I got a woman living in me. I got a woman who lives in my heart. Roots so deep, she tear me apart. I got a woman who lives in my soul. Deep down trouble, taking its toll. I got a woman, she got me. I got a woman living in me. All right. I got a woman who lives in my head. Sometimes I wonder if I'm better off dead. She won't ever leave me alone. Gotta hit the road, be a rolling stone. I got a woman, she got me. I got a woman living in me. I got a woman, she got me. I got a woman living in me.
There's a nice barge out there. Honolulu Harbor, folks. The Falls of Clyde, they're trying to get rid of it. Anybody want to buy a boat? I don't even think you have to buy it. It's an old sailing whaling boat, I guess. And if you guys want to take a cruise out, these are the cruise, the Star of Honolulu. That's been around a long time. I don't know about that blue water. A little oil in there, I think. Wow, that's pretty cool. We got a little tour of ALOHA Tower Marketplace in downtown Honolulu. You can see right ahead of us there. And if we were to keep going that way, yes, where all those birds were, keep going that way, we'd get to Waikiki in about 10-15 minutes. But that's another day, folks. That's another day. Today we're going to finish up our ride here, and well, I want to thank you guys for riding with us today. Oh, excuse me, did I get in your way? I'm not supposed to talk. It's a no talk zone. You can't ride a trike, but you can not talk with the bird. I'm not flying the drone. You guys just hang tight. All right, anyway, thanks for riding with us today. Hope you guys enjoyed our little cruise of Nimtiz Highway from Aiea to ALOHA Tower. And more to come. Thanks for hanging with us. Thanks for riding. Be safe. Thanks for checking up. We'll catch you on the next ride. Aloha.